Hi, I'm Katrina and I'm the head of production here at Ada Diamonds. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about our custom process and why our quality standards are some of the best in the industry. A lot of jewelry is made using 3D modeling software, which creates what's called a CAD of your ring. That's then used to print the actual metal ring, which is then set with stones, cleaned and polished, and presented exactly like you would see it in a jewelry store. What a lot of the big retailers do is they use CADs that are standardized rather than made for each order. So the measurements for the center stones and the finger sizes are rounded to the nearest increments, like 7 millimeter, 7.5 millimeter, 8 millimeter rounds, for example, on the center stones, or finger size 5, 6, 7. Then those standardized CADs are just used for the closest match to whatever the finger size and center stone is that's needed. Sometimes what also happens with these CADs is that retailers use them to make what's called a mold. A mold uses a small rubber box, which then has a negative impression made of the first printing from a CAD. That mold can then be reused over and over and over again to continue printing rings of the same dimensions and the same size. What happens over time with these is that they wear down, the edges become softer, the metal doesn't sit as well in the molds, and sometimes it can cause problems with the actual casting of the metal, including structural issues and things that'll require making a new metal. What Ada Diamonds does differently is that every ring of ours is custom designed to your center stone, your finger size, and any other dimensions and design details that you'd like to incorporate. And from there, we print just that one casting of your ring. We never use molds and we never use rounded measurements. In our customized process, the client is really involved with their CAD design along the way before we even move into production. You get to look at the CADs during the design process and request any kind of changes that you think might be better suited to what you want in your ring. Clients sometimes will change things like shank width, center stone setting height, sometimes the style altogether if they see the design and think they might like something else better. And all of this is done with your exact center stone dimensions and to the exact finger size that you want. Once you're happy with your CAD design and you're ready to move into production, we send your exact approved CAD off to one of our fabricators in various parts of the US, where it is then cast, hand set, and hand finished by some of the best fabricators in the country. I'm really looking forward to helping you design your dream ring.